welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to save videos from Snapchat to Gallery. All right, just go ahead and open up your Snapchat and tap on your profile right here at the top left. Tap on it. Once done, just go ahead and tap on the gear icon right here at the top right. Tap on it. Once done, you're going to want to scroll all the way down until you find the option called Memories, which is right here under Privacy Control. All right, here, Privacy Control. And under that, there will be an option called Memories. Just go ahead and tap on it. Now in here, as you can see, there are two options, which is the Save button and the Autosave My Story Snaps. Now first one, we're going to want to tap on Save button. And in here, you're going to want to make sure that Memories and a camera roll is ticked. All right. Once done, go back. Now tap on Autosave My Story Snaps. Tap on it. Now you're going to want to make sure to tap on Autosave to Memories. All right, let's say for example that you have forgotten to share your snaps or memories. Then in the future, you'll be able to recover it by just tapping on the Memories tab. All right, now going back, let's say for example, I am going to make a snap in here. All right, I'm going to record this rig of mine. Tap and hold to record. Done. Now, as you can see here, you might notice that there's an additional button which is called Save. Just go ahead and tap on it. As you can see, it is now saving. Now, when we go to our gallery right here, as you can see in the Snapchat album right here, you will see the saved recording. You can also save the photos right here. All right. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.